show you something her and I taught for our weekly class here every Thursday night at Nick's. This is actually the second incarnation of a sequence I call the Amazon. What is the Amazon? Longest river in the world because it's a long, winding, turning, curvy river. That's what you're going to do with her, at least for this version, the second version. How it starts though, it starts and ends with a basic move, and then we put this little vine in between, and it just turns into this really cool sequence. So sugar push. First part of this is just this left side pass, full turn to her left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very basic, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys off the track. Put it back on the track. Then there's a one-arm tuck. You can also do a two-arm tuck. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very basic, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these parts we showed in the class. You need these. So also redefines your beginning moves. You can polish them up better. So how this starts is how it begins with that left side pass. Triple step here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm beginning to step towards Stephanie. I'm on my left foot. She's back on her right foot because of the turn. And I'm going to reach for her right hand, her left hand, with my right. I need that hand for the next part. So let's just go this way again. As she's turning, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's basically right there for me now. She's got her arm up. You guys are going to figure that out. But it's going to be pretty much in a comfortable place for me to grab. All right, so let's just go this direction so you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm actually turning past her. She's on the track, but I've gone past her a little bit off to her left, but I've picked up her left hand. Okay? But from there is we had a vine. Triple step here. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now physically what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this hand, push her back onto her left foot for a triple step. That's a vine. That may not be easy to do at first because you got to push it back. She may bring it in front of her. Let's go this way. I'll show you that part again. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. Stephanie's on her left. I'm on my right. So I've crossed in front. Give her almost like driving a bus, a steering wheel, that big bus steering wheel. Because I need her to vine that count. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Vine step here. Okay, I'm off the track. And then what we're going to do is tuck turn and end it. It's really not that long or that complicated. That vine is not easy. So let's go this way, front to back. So the sugar push, 3 and 4. Pull her through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pick up her hand, make her do a vine, do a tuck, send her through. Going this way from different direction. So it took me a while to get that left hand, at least for me. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step, tuck turn, and tuck. Okay? It's just a nice move. Puts back where she was. It's called the Amazon 2.0. This is the whole thing again. Sugar push. Starts as a left side pass. With a turn, pick up her left hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make her vine. 5 and 6. Make her tuck. So overall, not a real long, complicated sequence, but you'd be surprised on a fast song how cool that looks. That's what I do. Thank you, Steph. Every week, guys, we hope you like what we teach and what we share with you. The like, thumbs up is pretty cool. Never a negative. You might as well even look at that part of the channel. But remember to subscribe for free video. We would encourage it. It's free. We share our passion with you for dance, and that's why I do it. So until next time, please, as always,
keep dancing.
take care, bye.